Manifesting through the chakras is so powerful because you are using your spiritual body to manifest things into your earthly realm. Wow, powerful, you're magical. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pizza and I create content that helps people manifest their best lives and be their highest selves. Today I am wearing my chakra earrings and my chakra necklace because I am going to be teaching y'all the manifestation process of manifesting through the chakras. I'm going to be explaining to you how each chakra plays a part in the manifestation process of thought to earth, thought to earthly form. Chakras are the architecture of the human soul. There are 7 main energy points of the chakras, which correspond to the nerve ganglia, which goes along the body's core. It can be seen in this diagram that I've shared in previous videos before. There are 7 chakras. There is the root chakra, the Sacral Chakra, the solar plexus chakra, the heart chakra, the throat chakra, the third eye chakra, and the crown chakra. When you are manifesting from the top to the bottom. So from the crown chakra to the ground chakra, the root. Each chakra plays a part in the manifestation process, and each chakra holds a part in the manifestation process as well. The first chakra, which is the crown chakra, is consciousness creates. You are awakening to who you are as a unique being. Those thoughts that you get in your mind that you're like, I want to do this with my life. That is your crown chakra, the beginning of the manifestation process. Then it moves into your third eye chakra, which is vision vitalizes. You are awakening your ability to see your vision in your mind, to see your dreams, to visualize them. And once you're able to visualize them, you have to communicate with the world. So this moves into your throat chakra. Your throat chakra is conversation, catalyzes manifestation. You are awakening your ability to express yourself to the world. What are you saying about your manifestations? What are you telling other people about what you are trying to manifest? How are you communicating to other people? This goes into connectivity, the heart chakra. Love enlivens. You are awakening your connection to other human beings. Who do you need to connect to in order to get your manifestation? Whose heart do you need to reach? What connections do you need to make with other souls? And once you're doing this makes you move into action, which is the solar plexus chakra. The solar plexus chakra means power produces. You are awakening your willpower through the actions that you are taking. So you're now like, what will I do? What am I willing to do? What must I do for my manifestation? However, you're not just doing action. You're taking action with passion and purpose. And this moves into the Sacral Chakra, which is pleasure pleases. You're awakening your passion. You're making your manifestation fun. You're choosing to no longer suffer in order to manifest what you truly want. What you are choosing to put pleasure first and allow pleasure to guide you through the manifestation process through the actions that you take in the solar plexus. And once you have been able to make your manifestation a pleasurable experience, a flow, you move into the root chakra, which is matter matters, and you awaken your ability to complete your manifestation. You've done it. You've taken all the steps from top to bottom to bring your manifestation from thought into earthly form. You've completed the process. It's important to be patient with yourself when you're using the chakras to manifest, because anytime we are manifesting, we actually are using the chakras because we're connected to the chakras spiritually. We're using them all the time. So sometimes when you're manifesting something, you're gonna get stuck in a certain chakra, and that's just because you have a lesson to learn, you have something to fix. I will be doing videos on each individual chakra and the manifestation process that each takes, and how to maybe fix the manifestation problems that you're having with certain chakras. So if you have any questions about that, leave that down below in the comments. I will happily answer with them. I love you so much. I'm so glad that I was able to give you this brief overview of how manifesting through the chakras work and what themes are at play when you are manifesting through the chakras. What is actually going on. So glad I got to share that with you. I love you so, so, so much. Bye. Leave any questions down below. I'll answer them.